My name is Brian Fitzgerald. I'm the Director of Lero. So Lero is Ireland's National Software Research Centre, funded by Science Foundation Ireland. We're headquartered at the University of Limerick and have about 300 researchers across 12 institutions, 7 universities and 5 institutes of technology. Our vision at Lero is to establish Ireland as a location synonymous with high quality software research and development. So we want Irish software to enter the lexicon in the same way as people talk about German automotive or Scandinavian design. We also have a strong industry focus in Lero, so we work with several of the top 10 technology companies in the world, and we also work with most of the Irish indigenous software companies, smaller companies. In fact, I think we have 92 projects with industry partners over the past 5 years that have brought in more than €20 million in industry cash contributions. Let me tell you a little bit about our research. So software, as you know, is everywhere. All companies in all sectors are now becoming software companies. There's 100 times as much software in a car now as 15 years ago. And software can obviously affect lives in a major way. The Leaving Cert grade recalculation recently was an example of something that had dramatic consequences for people. But only 8% of the software development activity is coding. The rest of it comprises requirements, analysis, and specification and testing and so on. These are really important activities. Larry Lessig, the US lawyer and social commentator, put it very well with a phrase that code is law. He was referring to the fact that software runs our lives, but it's invisible. We can't see it. So it's incumbent on us to be responsible in our software development, software engineering. So at Lero, a major theme for us is responsible software engineering, to ensure that that software doesn't kill anyone or breach anyone's privacy or security. So these are really important topics for us. We have 3 strands of research within Lero: systems, which is about the software systems we build; methods, which is about how we build that software; and context, which is about the world we live in, where we put in ethics and human values and data governance as well. These are really important topics for us. Finally, let me talk a little bit about this funding round, what it means for us. So software is critical for Ireland. Our future is dependent on being successful at developing software. The funding we're getting from Science Foundation Ireland here will match with industry funding, so they will give us the same amount of funding for state-of-the-art research projects. And a centre like Lero, which has more than 300 researchers, can compete with any software research centre globally. So it's a very exciting prospect for the years ahead.